Alright, nerds, my fellow nerds, this is going to be my car computer. OBD values, Mach data, GPS, music player right here, Meshtastic node, and then the controls for my AC. This is where I'm at right now on the hardware side. This is a transistor driver board, going to connect to some automotive relays. And I've got it finally working, doing relay things, relay-like things. See where we go from here. Scroll through my data, change my maps. Eventually I'll wire that in, and then I'm going to hook that bad boy up right there, and we'll see where it all takes us.